Today date is 17 December month 2025. Yesterday's class we learned about the natural methods. Now we are going to turn into chemical methods. See, natural methods should not use any chemical, right? But here using the chemical methods. Yeah, name itself only chemical. And in natural methods, what is the periodic abstinence? First one. Second one is the coitus interrupts, right? Third one is the withdrawal method. And that's the third withdrawal method also. And lactation amenorrhea, third one. These three also, we are not using anything, just following the method. But here is using the chemicals, right? Spermicidal agents, you know that boric acid and KMN4 are the chemicals, they can kill the sperm, right? That's the reason called as the chemical methods. We call it spermicidal agents or the surface active agents, right? How they work, which attach themselves to the spermatozoa and inhibits the oxygen uptake. Then what happened? Suffocation happened. They will be kill the sperm, right? Example: vaginal foam tablets. This is called as a today sponge today. Cream or jelly. That's the NIM 76 in the brand. Delphin, Walpor, right? These are the different kinds of spermicidal creams, gels. They can kill the sperm. Automatically, there is no conception or the fertilization, right? Now, next method is the barrier methods. In this method, ovum means egg and sperm are prevented from the physical meeting. This is the main objective of that. These should not be meet physically, they should be abstract by the what you call barriers. In that, first one is the condoms, right? Here is these are the barriers made of a thin and rubber or the rubber latex, thin or the rubber latex sheath which are used. It covers the penis during before coitus, and some are on the vagina. We call the femidomes, right? Automatically prevent the insemination. It would be physical barriers, right? So here, in this male, they should use that condom. It's about not only what you call this conception against the STDs also, which are the gonorrhea, syphilis, and chlamydia, right? And hepatitis B, genital warts, dental herpes, like diseases. There are no STDs, sexually transmitted disease will be prevented by this method by using this one, right? Both male and female condoms are disposable, right? And here self-inserted and user privacy is there, right? Then that's why this under name of Nero, this is the popular brand which were used during the what you call when it was AIDS is alarming in India, right? This is the male one, this is the female one. Femidome, we called as a femidome, right? Here is the female condoms are the diaphragm and cervical cap and walls are there. Diaphragm, cervical caps and walls are the femidomes, right? Diaphragm and cervical cap and walls are the barriers. These made up of the rubber, right? Instead of into the when they are before coitus insert into the female system. Cover the cervix area during the coitus. It will be protect the in what you call insemination. And they do not prevent insemination but prevent conception by the blocking the entry of sperms. Okay, insemination happening, but where it's not in the track into the cervical cap or the diaphragm or the caps or walls, whatever it is, right? And here is the along with this, these are reusable, right? And moreover, along with that, they can use these spermicidal creams. Well, you know, this is the additional support. Spermicidal creams, jellies, foams, they can use along with this one to get the additional protection. Yes, these are the kill the sperm, right? Next one is the intrauterine devices. Third one is the first one natural methods over. Second one chemical methods, barriers over. Next intrauterine devices, IUDs, intrauterine contraceptive devices. Got it? IUDs are contraceptives devices that are inserted by the doctor or the expert nurse should be. Okay, because here is the privacy is little bit, but remaining before or the privacy are there is a little bit the doctor or the expected export any nurse has to be inside. Okay, these are the adult contraceptives for the woman, means female. Those who delay pregnancy, here and see in the objective need, they may ask which of the following contraceptive is very essential or the very ideal for the those female who want to delay pregnancy or the space between the children. Obviously, answer is the IUDs, right? Got it? It is one of the most widely accepted method contraceptive in India because of once inserted, no, it's 3 years or the 6 months the will be effective, right? First one non-medicated. Here is the non-medicated, no. First type is non-medicated. Second one is the copper releasing IUDs. And third one is the hormone releasing. First, you are discussing the non-medicated IUDs. Here, the given name is non-medicated. There is no medicine, there is no chemical. Then why should we, what do you call, learn under the IUDs? Why should not be in the natural method? You may have a doubt. Because of here is the, this is the S, double S loop like structure is there. When doctor or the expert nurse has to be inside on the uterus or the cervix, our body will be find it as a particular foreign body. Due to that, in our what do you call in the woman body, that phagocytosis will be increased. That's why these WBC like cells will be engulf the sperm cells. That's a mechanism they given. See here, these devices are made of plastic or the stainless steel. Yeah, mechanism. Non-medical IUDs promote the phagocytic nature, which are the phagocytosis happens sperms within the uterus. Example is the lips loop. Lips loop is the, like a curve, like it's look like a. I'm going to draw here. That's the double S loop, double loop S type there. This when insert into the particular uterus area, then what happened? Now our body will recognize this is a, something is not belongs to us, want to kill. Then what? No, automatically phagocytosis will be increase. The sperm will be die. Right. Next. Yeah. Next one is the copper releasing. Second one is the copper releasing IUDs. Here is what now copper ions will be released by using the device. Copper ions will be released, right? These copper ions, what the mechanism? Copper ions, obviously, they can suppress the sperm motility. What is the copper ions? Work here is the suppress the sperm motility. Then automatically sperm won't be reached to the to reach ovum. Then automatically fail the fertilization. Copper T, copper 7, multi-loaded 375. The example of this is a small device. Okay, the copper ions will be effect on the motility of the sperm. You know that 60% of sperms will have a vigorous motility and 40% have a shape, proper shape and size. Then automatically the fertilization will be failed, right? Next one is the hormone. Third one is the hormonal releasing IUDs. These hormonal releasing IUDs, hormones releasing IUDs makes the uterus unsuitable for implantation, and cervical hostile to the sperm. See, while they're using hormone releasing like a progestoset and LNG20. LNG means what you know? Levonorgestrel 20. Levonorgestrel 20. Right? Hormone releasing IUDs makes the uterus unsuitable for implantation. If the implantation fails, what happened? There is no pregnancy, it's the abortion only, right? Meanwhile, the cervical hostile, the sperm should not be stay more time in the particular cervix region. Then what happened? That should not be reached to the womb. If it fertilization takes place, then even though there is no implantation, right? This is the LNG progestoset. It has a hormones. Got it? See here, match the list 1 and 2 respect to the method of contraception. They have given here diaphragm. This object you have to solve. Diaphragms, they cover the cervix, blocking the entry of sperm, right? Contraceptive pills, tablets, how they work? Inhibit the ovulation and implantation pills. IUDs, now only just discuss this one, increase the phagocytosis, that is which is the what you call non-medicated IUDs. Lactation amenorrhea. This is what? This is the kind of natural method. Absence of menstruation. Simply answer is the, this first one is the answer. Got it? I hope you clear this one. Right? Next, one more objective. Which of the following is correct statement? IUDs once inserted need not to be replaced. Wrong. We can replace, right? These are generally inserted by the user herself. No, expert nurse or the doctor required, right? Increase the phagocytosis of sperm in the uterus. What we discussed previously. Increase the phagocytosis of sperm because of the what? Now, this is what kind? Non-medicated, right? These suppress the gametes. Wrong. That's why answer is the third one is the answer, right? This is the answer. Got it? Yeah. In the next one, next third objective is, which of the following is an example of hormone releasing IUDs? Hormone releasing IUDs. Copper T, copper releasing. LNG20 process set are the LNG, that's the hormone releasing. Copper 7 also copper. These three, 1, 3, 4, the copper releasing. Second alone is the hormone releasing, right? It's very direct question and easy objective, right? One more question here. IUDs are small objects made up of plastic, copper, and that inserted in the uterine cavity. Which of the following statement are correct about IUDs? IUDs decrease the phagocytosis. No, it's wrong. They release the copper ion, suppress the sperm motility. It's correct. IUDs do not make the cervix hostile. No, do not. Yes, they should be makes the cervical hostile. The sperm won't be stay more time, right? This is also wrong. IUDs suppress the fertilization capacity of the sperm, right? That's the sperm motility means what? If the sperm speed is reduced, vigorously not motile, then what happened? Then automatically fertilization capacity will be decreased. This is also right. IDS require surgical intervention of their insertion. No, not like that. This is wrong. Now, what are the answer? B and D only answer. B and D are the answer, right? It's very easy. Okay. Thank you, Ma. Next method in the next class, which is the 18th date of December, we'll start hormonal method. Okay. Thank you so much for your patience and listening to my class. Thank you.